Welcome to my channel once again. This is Effa Joseph, your anchor person at the Free Genuine Airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your non-custodian wallet to your magnet ecosystem. Now, we're going to be using our Trust Wallet as example because of the ease of use. Remember, in our previous video, I taught you how to create your Trust Wallet account and how to also activate the major coins that you will need to use for this purpose. All right, so we're going to move ahead now, but before we comment this video, I would like you to do something very special. Number one is that you are going to be using this crypto magnet. You are now in your Trust Wallet account, okay? And you can see that I've already opened the one that says crypto magnet. Remember that we also told you to try and, if possible, label your account so that you know the exact one you're going to be using. But in this particular wallet, there are several wallets. So if you want to know which of them you are using, if you are not, you just look at this place. As if you come here and your magnet is not the one that is open, just click on this place and open that place. So you can see that there are several wallets here and our magnet is here. So in your own place to whatever wallet you want to use that you created for this purpose, you just click it and open it. Okay. All right. So now let's go back to our Telegram. Like we said from the beginning, you just come to this place and then that's your home page. Okay. Come to this particular place and click on it to know your phone number, the one you use in registering for your Telegram. So here you can see the phone number here. Note it down and then go back to your whatever you are doing because they will need this phone number later. Okay. All right. Now we can now go to our crypto magnet and open it. Now in magnet, you can see on your lower side of this web page the last link or the icon that says airdrop, which is located in this place. Just click on that place and open it. Okay, you can now see now news link to the first stage of the magnet pre-launch. You now have this, and then they now say copy the link, paste it into your browser and follow it. Now this is the link and this is your copy button. But I want you to know here that the browser they're talking about here is not your conventional browser. It is not your Google Chrome. It is not Firefox. It's not Brave. It is not Kiwi. But it's talking about the browser inside your magnet. Okay, inside your Trust Wallet. So we'll just click and copy that, which is okay. And then we now go to our wallet. Inside your wallet, what you will now do is to look for that lower part, the last part that says discover, which is somewhere here under there. Just open it, discover. Yes, then you have the browser. Just paste that address into that browser, press it, and okay, now click to search. Now wallet has magnet has loaded. So the next thing is to go to this your menu button and click it open. Yes, and it says connect wallet. And then you also see language here, which is English. This language you are seeing is English, but just check in case you are from other country that where they do not speak English. Check if your country is there. But there are about 4 languages here. What there about? We open it. You can see there's Russian, there is Hindu. Okay, this is supposed to, yes, Hindu, that is from India. Then you have French and you have Chinese. But let's cancel it because we are using English. Then now you will now click on connect. Okay, you click on connect and then you now agree on the terms. Okay, now wallets are highlighted now, but we said that we're going to be using the trust wallet, which is this, this one. So you will click on that wallet. And because you are already inside your wallet, it will be inside your wallet. Okay. Now we are using Polygon network. For those of you who have been asking, why do we need Why do we need You can see that we have Polygon network here, which is what we'll be needing. So you just click on this connect, and then you also click on sign. Okay. Click on sign. Okay, permit it. Good. You already have an account? Yes, you have an account on Telegram. Remember that your clicker bot is on Telegram. Now you already copied your phone number from Telegram also. So you're going to click on this place, log in with Telegram. All right. It's saying that whatever. Okay. Now, this particular place shouldn't have just come up immediately. I first of all tried to do this before I started this video. So already I've accepted it. So by the time you come here, in your own, now you are going to be seeing a place to put your phone number somewhere here. But we already bypassed this because I did it earlier. So you have a place to put your phone number. That phone number you copy, you just paste it there. When you paste it there, it will tell you that they have sent you a message. You just click on the body here, or you minimize and go back to Telegram. You will see the message on your home page, the particular one that says Telegram. You click it and open it, and you go and accept that message. Okay. But here we already done that, and that is why I didn't go to that place again. So now that you are accepted manually in Telegram, you just click accept here now. Okay. Okay. Now we have accepted, and it's going back. It's showing now telegram.org. Now we have done the connection, and then we can now open here and see what and what. Okay. Don't worry, even before then, you just scroll, you can see everything that is in your magnet now. Can you see? This is the magnet website. These are the things that are coming up. This is your roadmap. So you can be seeing the stages. The roadmap is just telling you the stages of development, what and what will be done at every stage. And now you know that this is just the stage of website and connecting your wallet. Other things are coming in. Those products we told you about, over 25 digital products, all of them are here. So take your time to read through, to scroll through, and you'll be seeing each of the packages and what is inside. You can see everything. So those of you who do not understand magnet and what you intend to benefit from magnet, you will be seeing all of them here. Crypto products. Under here, you have magnet finance, you have magnet dex, you have magnet wallet, you have cross-chain exchange, NFT marketplace, crypto do, pulse coin, lottery builder. Here you have educational products. You have crypto magnet, you have academy, you have learn and earn, you have magnet AI assistant, and then passive income. You also have just like that. So all these things you are having, GameFi and financial tools, traffic tools, they are all the products. Investing, they are all these are all the products you are going to be using in magnet. That is why people who think that magnet is MMM or whatever, they are getting it wrong. Magnet is not a get rich quick syndrome. It is not a Ponzi. There are products here, digital products that people will be subscribing. They will be paying to use. They will pay for to use them. So that is it. So let's just check if there are other things inside the menu here. Okay. 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 We don't need. We already passed already. We have done this. So let's look at the main, which is this. You can still read the battles. You can look at the ecosystem and the but now let's just quickly look at the main and see what we have there. So those are the things we have outside there, and then the roadmap and the rest. So you scroll, and whatever you want to know about, you can just read them here. And then here we also told you in one of our meetings last time after we completed the meeting, we told you that the income calculator will be visible after the website is launched. You can just toggle around it and see what is there. So let's click on it and see. You say, okay, calculate income. Number of referrals, we have one person here. Number of referrals, we have one. Income for all levels. Income for all levels. So in this case now, if I think if that goes to all to level 12, so you'll be having this income here, which is 10,032 dollars. $10,032. That if you, for instance, have registered at that point to level 12, and all the people, and you say the number of invited partners by each participant in your team are 3 levels of connections. Okay, so if you are already in level 12, you should be expecting this. But if you have number of participants and that is just level 1, and that level 1 person, the people the person brought down are just in level 3, you will be having this income we just highlighted. But if you change this now to more than 1 participant that you are invited, let's just check and see. Maybe we brought 12 participants. Okay, we brought 12 participants, for instance. Sorry. Okay, 12. Can you see what has happened? If you brought in 12 participants that are also at that level, you can see that you'll be expecting something at about 2,201,676.75 dollars. Okay, so that is it. You can play with so many things on this website, so that everything you need to know, you'll be getting them one after the other. The ones you don't know, you ask us, I will be telling you too. Remember to be attending our meetings, and in the meetings you have updates as well. Okay, if you find this video helpful, remember to like it, share it to as many as are close to you, and then also leave a comment here. Please leave a comment here. Your comment is so important to us. It will help us to know whether we are serving you well. It will also help us to know whether you understand this video. Please, but don't share unnecessary spams and links that are not helpful for us. Thank you. God bless you, as we see you in our next video.